Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are healthy. Now we will learn about learning frameworks with technology, SAMR model. Before that, let us introduce our group. My name is Igede Kartikayasa, and my fellows there are Wanda Dian Pramesti Fortuna Dewi and Nilo Gede Febilia Putri Utami. SAMR Framework is created by Dr. Ruben Puente Dura in the middle of 80s, which was developed to show the impact of technology in learning process. This framework is powerful because it enables us to think learning can be extended through the use of technology. So it focuses on the intersection of technology and pedagogy. SAMR have 4 different levels. There are substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. 2 levels focus on enhancement, and 2 other levels focus on actual transformation.
The first stage of SAMR model learning is substitution. Substitution is technology directly substitute for a more traditional one. For the example, first, the student use a word processor to substitute for paper and pencil. Second, the student can use Google Form test instead of a paper pencil test. And third, the student can share a document through email instead of a hard copy. The second stage of SAMR model is augmentation. Augmentation is technology act as a direct tool substitute with functional improvement. For example, the student can using spelling check to correct spelling errors and change the function of the task. Second, the student can use Google Form test with automatic marking script. And third, the student can sharing files through Dropbox.
Modification. This framework allows technology for significant tasks redesign or redesign part of the original task. In this stage, you start to move from enhancement to transformation model, and technologies are used to design an interactive and dynamic task that go beyond the limitation of a traditional learning. So in the learning process, students can make an innovative work which not only limited to a paper. For the example, students make an essay in form of blogspot and do online research, then editing on a shared document and publishing it so other students can access the work and also give them feedback. And the other example is students create a presentation video to replace standard oral presentation, and they can also add an audio alongside a broader variety of creative multimedia components. Redefinition. This is the most sophisticated stage of the SAMR. In this step, we can see how technology can change students' experience in learning process. We are able to design and create new tasks that were once unimaginable before. Not only that, this framework will give students a technological soft skill, such as digital collaborating and ability to adapt with a new system and the other. For the example is students experimenting with tasks that use extensive multimodal elements like make short films, web page, printed document with a creative layout. And the other example is sharing a file through iTunes or creative project with audio feedback. But you have taken note that redefinition is not same as a high-tech. This level is conducted by integrating technology, so it opens new doors for students' experience in learning process.
SAMR Framework has advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is the technology helps teachers brainstorm in the new ways when integrate it into the classroom. Brainstorming gives technology a purpose by using it as a tool to achieve a specific learning outcome. And the disadvantage, the general idea that each level is better than the last. It makes the teachers feel that they must constantly be moving up the levels, no matter what they are teaching, of the outcomes of the learning process that aiming for. That's all about SAMR frameworks. Thank you.